Garden hand instruments are the go-to apparatuses for most nursery workers. They're not difficult to convey with you, and with such countless various types, you're certain to find one that fits the errand at hand. Weeding, planting, raking, or pruning. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Top 3 Zone. I am researching many garden hand tools, then only the best garden hand tool pellets are listed. I am presenting the best 3 garden hand tools set in detail briefly. Check the link in the description box. So let's get started and enjoy this video. Number 1. Portable and Garden Hand Tool Set. Portable and Garden Tool Set contains 4 pieces high-quality hand garden tools. Trowel, transplanter, weeder and cultivator. Trowel for moving and holding a good amount of soil. Transplanter with a stamped measuring gauge helps you plant at a specific depth. Cultivator lets you easily pull, smoothen and level. Weeder for clawing out weeds or underbrush. Ergonomic designed handle. Comfortable non-slip grip. Makes it easy to store and hang when not in use. Number 2. WORKPRO 7-piece gardening tools. Made of heavy-duty stainless steel that is extremely resistant to rust and corrosion. Includes 6 tools: gardening gloves, storage tote, transplanter trowel, hand fork, weeder, cultivator, pruning shears, comfortable grip lanyard loops. The tools come packed in a handy and stylish 12-inch storage bag, which offers a nice place to store the pieces and also makes the carrying of these tools very easy. The blade of pruner is made of premium SK5 steel, which is specially designed for quickly and precisely cutting. Number 3. UKOKE 12-piece garden tool set. This garden tool set contains 12 pieces of high-quality gardening tools. Gardening pruner's blades are made of high-carbon SK5 steel. Compare with aluminum-made blades, it is more toughness, sharp and durable. The ergonomically engineered handles, ideally for long-time multi-purpose intensive pruning. High quality made this complete gardening tool set with 5 high-quality heavy-duty cast aluminum alloy hand tools is perfect for all your garden needs, such as a trowel for digging, a weeder for weeding, a rake loosening soil, a spade for transplanting and a cultivator for aerating soil. The waterproof durable gardener's apron with multiple organizer pockets is designed to keep your gardening supplies and accessories close at hand. All the garden tools included in this gardening set are ergonomically engineered.